The following video contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. But there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have videos that I'm going to present to you, but before I present any of those videos to you or give you any details about those videos, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are circulating on social media where it is said that a person did a disrespectful video about the Prime Minister of Jamaica who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, and the person had been brought into police custody. It's not the first time we hear about a situation like this, viewers and subscribers, where it is said that someone disrespected the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness, on camera, and then the person had been arrested by the police. It's not the first time we hear about a situation like this. Anyways, I'm going to put these videos together and present them to you. But before I present these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that at least one of these videos contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
You start it? Yeah. Bumbo Clark and Joe. Holness. Me. Name Shaquille Higgins. Live on Main Street, man. Come to me now. You are real waste, man. Yo. And Joe. So suck your mother. How are you, man? Go 8 o'clock curfew. After man plant the blood clot, Mark up all you come boy. Hey boy,
the Prime Minister Andrew Holness said, me sorry, me ever make that utterance.
Go ahead, Mr. Higgins.
I'm really sorry.
No, man, go better than that, man. Go see him like when you go into your call man, that man and so forth.
I'm really sorry for the indecent language. I'm sorry for whatever I said in the video. All those bad things, I'm sorry already.
So the police,
I'm sorry to the police force. I'm sorry to the whole thing.
Yeah, but hear one song we go, government badness, Andrew Holness, government badness. You ever hear that song there before? Yeah? And the police no easy to, you know. The police make sure that the apology is on video, you know. It had been recorded, you know. Let me tell you. I wonder why you do something like that though, viewers and subscribers. And even though that video that the person had done that is considered to be disrespectful towards the Prime Minister is bad, you see, even though that video is bad, I see other videos out there with worse content, you know. See, remember me see a video, I talk about recent video where me see someone practically threatening the Prime Minister. Seriously. Yeah, so, I don't know, but the only thing me can say, it's best to be good than to be bad. See me? And if you don't have nothing good to say, better not say nothing at all. That's how me look upon life, you see it? But anyways, big up and respect to each and every one. And I wish the best for everyone. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I want to say to each and everyone out there, be careful how you meet and buy things from persons out in the public. You know, like when you meet someone online or you contact someone over the phone and organize with the person, say you're going to buy a car or a cellular phone from the person and you're going to do the transaction out in the public. Be careful. It's better you do the transaction in a police station or at a police station just to be safe. You see what I say? Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and I'm going to tell you from right now that I got some informations about this video that are unconfirmed informations. So therefore, the informations that I'm about to give you about this video, they might not be accurate and they might not be the truth. See it? They also can be the truth as well. Is what I said to you? Alright, so please bear that in mind. Now, according to the informations that I got about the video, it is said that the video is about an armed robber who had been apprehended and handed over to the police within the country that is known as Guyana. It is said that the video had been recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. According to the informations that I got about the video, it is said that sometime within the month of July the year 2021, a person who is said to be the victim went to a certain location within the country of Guyana to buy a cellular phone from someone who he met online. It is said that when the person reached at the location, it is said that the person entered a building and asked for a certain person, and he had been directed to the suspect, who is said to be the armed robber. You see? It is said that the suspect, who was playing pool's game at the time, left the pool's game and approached the victim and pulled out a gun. It is said that the suspect then pushed his hand into the victim's pocket and relieved the victim of his cash. And it is said that the victim somewhat challenged the suspect, and it is said that a scuffle happened between the victim and the suspect, and the suspect fired one round from the firearm. It is said that the suspect somehow managed to escape the victim and exited the building and went out into the public, and it is said that the victim then chased the suspect and disarmed the suspect. It is said that the victim held on to the suspect, and it is said that other persons who were out there in the public helped to apprehend the suspect, and the suspect had been handed over to the police within the country that is known as Guyana. Viewers and subscribers, I am going to present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding about this video or about the whole incident where it is said that an armed robber had been apprehended and handed over to the police within the country that is known as Guyana. Now, please bear in mind that this video contains scenes that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video, they are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Fire off the banner there. Full gun, lick it out to the man. It's them little bunny half right. No, but what you got going for? Where my dad? Pick up then the pocket of the you already send some banner cut?
The master beat you and come out for long.
Yeah, real good. Fucking buy up. Yes, everything cut to and see how much pull back. Yeah, don't touch it, don't take a bomb. Just so. I want it. There's a mechanism. You picking up one song, it's so young. When you picking up one song, why don't you start right on the left? Go to you. Police are there, but I'm not going to no. I live in different worlds.
I think cocktail ready. The policeman hold on. Then they try with that.
Again, I'm going to say this, viewers and subscribers, be careful when you're going to do transaction or if you're going to buy something from someone out in the public. Be careful. It's best to do the transaction in or at a safe and secure location. Alright? Be careful. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to more videos. Alright, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is circulating on social media where it is said that Ricky Chupa disrespected Tony Matterhorn. Now, please bear in mind that there are other videos circulating on social media where it is said that Ricky Chupa talk about Tony Matterhorn and Tony Matterhorn talk about Ricky Chupa. You see what I said to you? So, this video, in my point of view, is not the first of videos circulating out there on social media where it is said that Tony Matterhorn and Ricky Chupa talk about each other. Alright, so you see me? Now, please bear in mind that this video contains some very harsh languages. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that this video contains scenes that are not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Tony Matterhorn come chat about book. Boy, you fully book. This a fully book. It's a fully book, yeah? Salt Trooper truck just come out of shop. Saying, so we live in Jamaica, you talk about fly and book. Man, I feel fly and book. Come on there in a corona money, a blood clot makes you away. Ask me how I do it. Eh? See it, saying, So we have a brand new sound, just go some boom and come out the road again and truck brand new. Saying, I come shut off your mouth. And I'm a friend Al Pacino there, saying that we are chill. So we live at Jamaica. So we live at Jamaica. Saying, truck, some blood clad BMW here. I wash. Some car I watch. Saying, some BMW I watch in a Corona. Corona, I buy this. Corona, I buy this bomb buckler. See how we live here. See how we live at Jamaica here. Brand new truck up this one.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I hear some of you left it, you know. You don't know me, I'm going to have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what's going on, you see it? Yeah, you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Yeah, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.